67 Chevrolet C10. Short box Stepside here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Original Texas truck. Underneath the hood, rebuilt 383 stroker. And there is miscellaneous receipts and kind of a whole write-up on the engine build. But I'll hit on some of the highlights of it right now. It does have Edelbrock aluminum heads, 670 Holley Street Avenger carb on it, Performer EPS, intake manifold, that'd be an Edelbrock, along with roller rockers, hardened push rods. What else was it? Had Hyper flat top 383 pistons, Eagle cast steel crankshaft. So you'll be able to see the whole list on it in the still pictures. But first, let's go ahead and check this truck out a little closer. Chrome in the bumper, headlight surrounds, grille looking good up front. Call this kind of a gray blue, slate blue. Good looking color on the truck. Power steering, power brakes, nicely equipped. You can also see over here on the side glass, it does have the tinted windows on both sides, just let you know about that. So know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint. Check out all the still pictures on this truck. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see disc brakes up front. Boss 5-spoke wheels. Nice looking wheel in this truck. Good stance. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Automatic transmission. Low car shifter. And we'll get around to the driver's side so you can check that out a little bit closer. Wood in the box, nice shape. Stainless looks good. And you'll be able to see that all in the pictures. Remember, we also consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Looks like the chrome's pretty new on this truck. Take a look at that rear bumper as well as that front one a bit ago. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You're going to be able to see the underside, the engine bay, interior. I'll get up a little write-up in there on the engine and kind of some of the highlights of this truck also. I'll have those in the still pictures. So take your time looking through it. If you like these late 60s Stepsides or just maybe like late 60s Chevy pickups in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online right off our showroom floor. As you can see, the paint shows well on this one. Is it absolutely perfect? No. But again, great paint job for your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. This truck will definitely turn some heads. No doubt about that. The way it looks, the way it sounds, we're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a little closer look at this interior. If you stick around to the very end of this video, remember we're going to take this truck for a drive too, so you can see how it goes down the road. It's a black vinyl bench seat, vinyl in nice shape, seat belts intact, tilt column. It's that low car shifter we were talking about, and it does have a more modern gauge in it, so you have your shift display over here also for park, reverse, neutral. Retro sound style radio that does work. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Remember, 383 stroker. There's where I was talking about the shift indicator at. Like I said, this one will turn some heads the way it sounds too. Radio, that is working fine. Little Michael. Get that stroker down in the low idle. Ooh, door closes nicely. Listen to this. That's 2.5 inch dual exhaust Flowmaster mufflers. All right, let me pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open so we can check out that engine bay. Underside of the hood. And here it is, that 383 stroker. I don't believe I mentioned automatic transmission with overdrive is what's teamed up with that. Hooker competition headers, and as you can see, power steering, power brakes. Has some nice chrome and bright work underneath there, polished aluminum. Newer battery, it's like 23, so just a little over a year old. Aluminum radiator, dual electric fan setup. Heater hose is still intact. HEI ignition. Good looking engine bay. And again, rebuilt, paperwork, receipts on it, go along with the truck. I'll get some of that pictured up with the still pictures also. Stick around, we're going to take it for a drive too. 1967 Chevrolet C10. Short box, Stepside. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1967 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. Very snappy throttle, very fun to push that throttle. Awesome exhaust sound coming out of this truck. You can tell it's not quite a factory truck. Nice aftermarket gauges in the dash. Such a great idle on this truck. I'm sure you've heard that already. Our turn signal indicators are working. Nice shifts too. This truck will be quick. Fun to push that throttle down. Our water temperature is showing about 170 and still rising a little bit. Volts are over 13. Fuel gauge is over a quarter of a tank. The oil pressure about 65 to 70. We're cruising along in overdrive at about 1100 RPM. Very nice gearing in this truck. On the left side of the dash, an indicator of your gear lights up. Nice addition to those gauges. Speedometer working as it should. A retro sound style radio in the dash. Sounds good coming out of the speaker right up on top of the factory location. There are also speakers in the doors. Windshield wipers are working, as you can see. We got a little bit of traffic. Nice, probably vinyl or simulated leather, possibly leather bench seat in this truck. Reminiscent of original style. This truck just has one of those throttles you want to play with it, make music with it. This truck corners nicely. Smaller size steering wheel, but still easy to steer. See what I mean? That's a fun throttle to play with. Take a look at all the pictures and learn everything you're going to love about this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.